Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Freshsales CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Calendar to your Freshsales CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Calendar to Freshsales anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or maybe doing consultations, you know it's important to balance your Google Calendar, and if you can add your Google Calendar into Freshsales, they can both share information about your upcoming meetings. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Freshsales CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Freshsales account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your Google Calendar to Freshsales, you need to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on personal settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you click there, you're going to be in your email settings, and in order to link or connect your Google Calendar, you want to click up here on the top button, calendar and conferencing. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these four options, and you want to click here on Google Calendar. Okay, once you do that, Freshsales is going to ask, do you want to go ahead and connect your Google contacts and your Gmail at the same time? For me, I'm only going to connect my Google Calendar. So let me go ahead and uncheck those, and then you want to click on connect. Okay, so next Google opens up a browser asking which account you want to connect to. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, next Google's going to let you know that your name, email address, and language preference would be shared with Freshsales. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, next you get to choose the permissions. So I'm going to choose this one and then scroll to the bottom. Okay, and then click on continue. Okay, next it's going to show you the calendar that you've connected right here from your Google, and then make sure it's correct. If so, go ahead and click on save and sync. Okay, really quickly, you're going to see a little pop-up saying that your Google Calendar sync has initiated. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Calendar to your Freshsales account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.